something or just fire her. Because what if it was something more serious and it go to the media? Are you gonna look bad, Pan, you know? Also me. Yeah. I think I need to see her. And then she have a little attitude too.
Why you look so? Come to you.
Where you go with that?
It's a little project. It's a like careers day. I work to them.
You know, say I tell me about this Dr. Baltazar, but you really think him really that much of a good doctor?
You know, so me not really do trust the doctor they do. No, me trust you.
Dr. Balazar, I'm here regarding serious matters. Kindly focus, please.
You can't just judge a book by cover, you know. Sometimes you have to actually read it to the end.
I'm assuming you're single, since as you want to take note on a date. Are you?
It's very complicated, man.
When you come home with the camera, Master, me can't ever touch him.
Oh, so you're the guy that she always talks about?
No.
I never me putting it together. This is kind of like stage 2 obesity, you know.
Yeah, we try something new.
Really?
Yeah. Dinner and movie type of settings.
All right. Dinner and movie?
I'm the dinner. We make the movie.
So, alright, nobody know out there.